sorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati ande umsialia utagiti showroom yeito nigo ere engale iyuerengia na woigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team ya tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania na woigo cyo tebererie kende kinsi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na woigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na woigo box corrugated asbigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emeronge bire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na woigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na woigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na woigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chingagicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na wigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex niyo muchuyigo busongo iyo erangene duka Safaricom wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe trasete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Irire wia naindo mwanche umuri wa Getembe TV Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yo wenye njengatire ni Nyaboga urisana makori kurasa umuno kuimanyerere kabana intuwika omwerio Mugavana wa county ya Trans Nzoia Omoske George Natembea nigo abu atwari tukuria rero gose omugasorero ne kyombekire kyo gotukobosari gosobo kurumi ya Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission EACC ase kuikraboniga atangira ase chabis chekyombekyo imeyo moche o Nairobi Natembea nigo akomochiwa na mamochi yugo kuruma chishiringi bilioni ya monuguta inyakoro ase ekiganje ge serikali ya county ya Trans Nzoia Korengana no muwakiri oyende wa Njiru nigo batebire gwikiraboniga bawakiri baye tibara ego ibagari gokwana no Moski Natembea gose no nyakomorora.
Followed our client to the EACC headquarters, but unfortunately we are not allowed by the EACC officers to access our client. They say that they have brought him for statement recording, but he's not allowed to access any legal facility by the EACC. When we ask them why we are not able to access the client, They are saying that the director in charge of investigation is yet to decide whether or not the client or the advocates will access their clients. So that's the current situation as we are here at the EACC. They have locked in our client. The client is inside here, but we're not able to access him or even to give him any legal counsel on all what the processes that are currently undertaking. Yeah, we'll keep on briefing you on the progress. Yeah.
But really,
yes.
everything, someone